All right, this is Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity, and the oven is beeping. Let's check together and see what's inside. Whoa, this is a hot stuff. Let's see if you recognize it. What is this? Wow, stuffed peppers with beef and rice. Okay, let's take it out from the oven. Did you know you can have stuffed peppers with the Mediterranean diet? Let me ask you better. Did you know you can have stuffed peppers with the Mediterranean diet? Yes. Let's check together the temperature. This is very easy to make. It's very yummy. We need to read at least 160. They have been baking for about 45 minutes. Wow, perfect. 189. Let's check another one. 205. Plenty of heat. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna top this with mozzarella. This is 25 grams each pepper. So we're using 100 grams. All the recipes of Meals for Longevity, they are in grams, as indicated by the Mediterranean diet. So this is one of the recipes that you can find on mealsforlongevity.com about the new modern Mediterranean diet. Stuffed peppers are considered, this is a portion for 2 people. This is a full meal. With 2 peppers, you're going to have all the intakes that you need for a meal with the bread, with the fruit. Just follow mealsforlongevity.com. We're going to give you all the indication. Let's put this back together in the oven. This is hot stuff. All right. So we're going to cover this. We're going to push it back in. And we're going to cook it just for the time that it takes to melt the cheese. Cooking time, 7 minutes, about that. All right, subscribe on this channel. Go on mealsforlongevity.com and also subscribe to the newsletter. This is part of the chefy recipes that you can find on my website for the people that they want to eat healthy and they want to follow the Mediterranean diet. Ciao!